Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and our blog page. And our most recent article is about Mohawk Smartstrand carpet, and I'll just kind of circle this. We call it Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide, but it's really a wealth of information about Smartstrand carpet. Everything in there about Smartstrand that you could possibly want to know. We talk about what Smartstrand carpet is made of. We talk about cleaning and maintenance tips. We talk about the popularity. We also talk about the Mohawk Smartstrand warranty, and information that a lot of stores won't tell you about is in this article. So it's just a wealth of information about Smartstrand carpet. So what we would encourage you to do, if you want to learn more about Smartstrand and what the carpet is made of and how it performs and all of that good stuff, please go to our article. I'm going to put the link to our article in the description box below. But our floor and decor blog is completely free, and we would love for you to come visit and check out some of our articles. We write all kind of information about floor covering. We do product reviews. We have cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles on strategies you can use in your local stores to help save you money. We put budgeting articles together. We're just all about floor covering. We'd love for you to come visit us and to check us out. And real briefly, if you've not heard of Mohawk, I just switched screens over to the Mohawk website. But Mohawk Flooring or Mohawk Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country, and they are the ones that make Smartstrand Forever Clean carpet. And it's a product that's been out in the marketplace for a long, long time. If you go into just about any floor covering store across the country, you're going to run into Smartstrand carpet, and it's one of the most popular carpets. They got products within the Smartstrand label that really fit any project. You can put Smartstrand carpet in apartments. You can put it in luxury homes and everything in between. So there's just a lot of products. It's an incredibly durable product, and and one of the main questions is what exactly is it, and what's it made of, and how do you clean it, and so forth. And we talk about that quite a bit in this article here, Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. We've got 3 or 4 videos in the article, all kind of different resource links, and just everything Smartstrand that you could possibly want to know is in that article. So again, I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box. Please check it out, and after you read it, leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thanks.